Hello, today we're going to do some express training on the Raphael conformal coating robot. When you work with the fixture of the robot, just push it down in the middle and that takes it off the two pins in the back. If you have an unevenness in your table, what you want to do is just keep pushing on it back here. See, there's some play there. Whichever side's got the play, come over and loosen this adjustment here and just keep pushing it until it stops. Now it's level. The plug for the unit is on the right side. Plug it in and turn it on with this switch here. A little green light on the PC board comes on. Now you can use the joystick to move the robot. There's an enable switch on the side that must be depressed whenever you want to move the robot. You can go in the Z up direction and down with these buttons, and you can move it left and right and front to back with the joystick. I'm going to move it forward so that I can put the tanks in. When you load your coating, your materials, just leave it in the container that it comes with. Take the lid off, put the dip tube in, leave the caps on for now. Put the cap that's got the hole in it, the lid with the hole in it, on there and tighten it down. You put the tanks back here on top of these small magnets, like so. And this would be the conformal, and this red fitting goes right between the handle and the lid. Now you can take the caps off and attach the pump to the tall nipple. The tall nipple is the dip tube. The short nipple is the vent. I just turned it around because this tube is a little bit short. You can install the waste can. It's got a little piece of metal in the bottom and it'll snap onto this magnet over here. There we go. These two, you can just feed them up through here or lay them. You can lay them on top of the tank like that. Now you can go to your, well, you plug in your USB on the side here with the sort of the smaller part facing you. The large red icon is your software. Once it opens up, you can expand it. At the very top, there's a button that says connect. It should connect automatically and give you a green light. If it doesn't, you can hit the connect button here. Also, you may have an issue with the COM ports. Normally it's the highest number COM port that it'll assign when you plug in the robot, and you pick that one, the highest number, and you hit connect, and you should get the red light. I'm sorry, the green light. If it turns red, that means it's lost connection. Now at this point, you can change the safe height to a lower number right here. That'll just make it faster to home. Under utilities, you can hit home, and the robot will go to the left front corner, the left back corner, and find a home position.